Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created this look using the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe eyeshadow vault. So if you'd like to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. So I'm first starting off with the Ring the Alarm eyeshadow palette and applying the shade called Rush as my transition shade in the crease. Next, taking the shade called Framed and applying that to further deepen up the crease. I'm also applying this into the outer corner of the eye just to tie the shadows together. Then going back in with the shade Rush that we started off with, and I'm just blending out any harsh edges. Next, moving on to the Dark Magic palette and taking the black shadow called Temptress into the outer corner just to give the eye some more structure. Then back over to the shade Framed, and I'm using that just to blend out the black shadow. After that, taking the shade On Camera and applying that over the top of the eyelid space that's left, and because this is a warm gold shade, it really makes your eyes pop and stand out. Then going back into the black shadow and applying that again to the outer corner. You want to just keep adding and blending each shade instead of adding like too much and then regretting it later. Next, taking the L'Oreal Perfect Slim eyeliner and using that to create a wing. Then adding more black into the outer corner to blend in with the liner. And again, taking Framed to blend it back out and add some more colour. For lashes today, I'm using the gorgeous No. 9 lashes from Lash Unlimited, and you can use the code NAT20 to receive 20% off of your purchase on their website. Then applying my favourite mascara from Maybelline just to blend the lashes that I applied with my real ones. To finish off the bottom lash line, I'm using the shades called Framed and Temptress just to give it that overall smoky eye effect, and I'm making sure to keep the black closest to the bottom lashes. Then taking a black kohl eye pencil and applying that to darken up the waterline. Then to highlight, I'm using the shade called VIP from the Armed and Gorgeous palette and applying that on the brow bone and inner corner. So to finish the whole look off, I'm using the NYX Cosmetics Retractable Lip Liner in the shade called Sand Beige, and then on top using the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in the shade PillowTalk. So you guys, that is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please let me know in the comments below what kind of videos you'd like to see from me, and also give the video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.